Firstly, connect the power supply of the router. Then insert one end of the network cable into the LAN port of the router, and the other end into the network port of the computer. Install the battery and prepare to start the flat panel detector. This is the battery power interface. Install it at the plate power interface, and then lock the two ends of the battery. The light button on the left is the power switch of the detector. Press it for 2 seconds to start the device. The dark button on the right is the reset switch. Long press for 3 seconds to restore the factory settings. The indicator lights on both sides turn green, indicating that the detector starts normally. Next, we connect the tablet on the computer. And select the wireless connection mode. Click Initialize. Then the lower left corner will indicate successful initialization, and then select the trigger mode software. The lower left corner will indicate successful opening. Click Single Frame Acquisition to start exposure. After the exposure window is closed, the image above will be collected.